Good afternoon, it's Rusty with Masters Lawn Care and another quick tip on Gainesville lawns. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're here at a landscape project we did a couple months ago, and I wanted to go over some of the plants. One of the most common questions we get today is what plants are we going to use to increase our curb appeal? So I want to give you 4 or 5 plants that we use commonly in landscapes, and that way you could help use those in yours. One of those plants is right here. It's called a Flax Lily. It has kind of variegated leaves and some little white flowers in spring and summer that really adds year-round interest, as well as these drift roses here. Now these are young. They were just planted here a couple weeks ago, but these offer pink flowers and blooms like this right here pretty much consistently throughout this year. I'm filming the video here in early January, but pretty much consistently throughout the year they kind of have some color on them. Another plant here is the Agapanthus. Now it's not providing any color now. It's just a very unique plant with its thick strap-like leaves, but it does provide blue flowers in summer. In this backyard are some beautiful plants that we like to use. You can see some of the ones we saw in the front yard, which are the drift roses with the pink flowers there in the middle, but some other ones are the big striking plants in back. Those are called Regina Iris. You'll notice they're very striking even without color, but in the summer they have big purple flowers that are really appealing. Some of the other plants you'll see are purple flowers on stalks. Those are kind of frosted back. Again, it's mid-January. We just had a frost last night, but those do have purple color throughout the season, and those are Salvia. Another plant are these oyster plants. This is year-round color. As you notice, it's not based on flowers. It's based on foliage, which is a great plant to use. This is called Angelonia. It's not near as much bloom as it will be in spring, but it's definitely still kind of showing some color for the wintertime. Maybe a better picture for those salvias this side where they haven't gotten frost damage yet. Once again, I'm Rusty with the Masters Lawn Care, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful for you. If we can be of assistance with your landscape, give us a call at 378-5296. Have a blessed day.